Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Great Wolf Lodge Chicago, Gurnee. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 3 swimming pools, free Wi-Fi, free parking, spa and a bar. Featuring an 80,000 square foot waterpark, an indoor rock climbing wall, arcade, bowling alley and 8 on-site dining options, Great Wolf Lodge Chicago, Gurnee offers 24-hour entertainment in Gurnee, IL. Every room at Great Wolf Lodge Chicago provides a flat-screen LED TV, small refrigerator and coffee maker. The hotel offers a selection of themed rooms, each providing a unique experience for families and individuals alike. Guests can zoom down water rides, race down slides, explore caves and coves and more at any of the 13 stations of the indoor waterpark. After a day of fun, guests can enjoy a meal at any of the 8 restaurants throughout the property. While the kids grab a burger or pizza at Hungry as a Wolf, adults can enjoy craft cocktails, libations and shareable plates at Barnwood. Ben & Jerry's is located on site and offers an array of unique ice cream flavors for guests of all ages to enjoy. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.